So in a previous video, I showed you how to grow chili plants from seeds. So this is the plant that we grew from seeds, and when it was 8 weeks old, we just concluded that video. So if you have not seen that video, I have put the link in the description and you can check it out. In this video, I'm going to show you how it progressed. So here are the four chili plants that I have. There are three different varieties in these four different planters. So if you look at this first one, it's about 3 feet tall. Actually, all of them are 3 feet tall, and it has already started producing these chilies. These are thicker chilies. They are medium hot. Now, this is the second one, which I was showing you earlier. And it is pretty healthy, about 2 feet tall, but it is just starting to get flowers. And this was the one that I overwintered from last year. And these are long Thai chilies, and they have already started, it has already started producing chilies. And this is another one of the plant that I was showing you earlier. And again, here, the plant is really tall, and I'm just starting to see the flowers. So hopefully, in a month or so, these will also start producing chilies. So another month has passed, and if you look at this large plant, it has so many flowers. And I'm starting to see some small chilies also. So it's getting there. I'm really happy that all the four plants are now producing chilies. And these are standing tall, and they are pointing towards the sky, which is kind of strange, but that happens. Good thing is that you don't need to do much to take care of these chili plants. Once they mature, you just make sure that they have enough sun, about 3, 4, 5 hours of sun, and the soil is moist all the time, and they'll just start producing these chilies. So it's been 4 months that we planted these Thai chili plants. So I'll show you, all three different varieties, how they are doing. So this one, this is the one with, a little uh, thicker chilies, and some of them are actually turning red. And this started first, so 1 month ago it started producing these chilies, and we have been picking those up and enjoying them. And they are not that hot, they are okay, they are medium. Then we have this plant, which I overwintered from last year, and it is producing these long chilies. They are also medium hot. They are not very hot from Asian standard, but they are medium hot. One thing I have noticed is that if you leave the chilies on for a long time, when they almost start to turn red, that's when they are hottest. So when in the beginning, for example, when they are very young, they'll not be hot at all. As they start to grow, their heat level increases, and like this one, not this one, I can't see any chili which is turning red right now, but as soon as you see that it has slight red color, that's when it is the hottest. So this is the one which I overwintered, and this also started producing chilies very early on. And these are the two plants that I showed in the beginning. One of them I showed in the beginning, and they have these chilies which are growing, which are pointing up, which is strange way, but that's how it works. Some of the chilies, they just point up, and they are just producing so many chilies. You can look at this. Some of them have these black color a little bit. Some of them are green, but they are producing so many chilies. So, and this is also medium hot. So all of them are medium hot, from Asian standard. It depends on how hot you can uh, eat. So for me, these are all medium hot. So growing Thai chilies is pretty straightforward. You plant the seeds and you transplant them, and then once they settle down, you have to just wait. And I mean, so in 4 months from seeds to this stage, when they have so many chilies, and now I can just keep picking these chilies every day and use in the cooking as much as I can. I don't think I can use all of them. And towards the end of the season, I'm going to save some of these chilies for seeds, so that in the next season I can start from those seeds. I don't have to buy the seeds. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.